Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nkonye, also known as NdiNaija. Ja. I am finally close to the presence of mind to show you my Simply Gilded December box. Well, close to the frame of mind. This is my December subscription box from Simply Gilded. And I shall open it now. Oh, I gotta go off camera, do that, and come back so that y'all don't hear the Man, I had to zoom you all in because this is a beautiful, beautiful box. The name is Clarity, and it is volume 26, which means it is the 26th Simply Gilded subscription box. Reflection clears the mind and frees the soul. It's a heavy box too. Simply Gilded 2019. You have the Facebook, the Instagram. I think I'm going to show everything because I believe there is a mystery item in this box, and I believe by now most people have received their boxes, so here you go. This is the box for January. So this is the 5mm subscription. You have a vertical washi, the heart and vines, the horizontal, that's peach, and then the white and hearts. I don't know if there's a name for that. But man, this thing is heavy. Okay, so you have the foil journaling card, designer washi tapes, blush bow notepad, premium stickers and seals, special line journal, vegan leather pouch, pretty bow charm, engraved black gel ink pen, Sakura microperm pen, and a mystery item. This box is packed. Wow. Okay, let's start with this notebook, okay? Ooh, wow. This feels good. I think this is the special lined journal. Yes. It's got bows at the top. This is a bright white paper. I should call it almost a bluish white paper. And it is lined. Oh, this would be gorgeous. And it feels like cloth backed, maybe linen? Not sure, but it's some sort of cloth. So, washi tapes. This must be the mystery item. This must be the mystery item. Yeah, since I didn't bring everything out without, first checking or notifying you guys. Oh, this is gorgeous. Okay. So it's hearts, so it's a hanging calendar, and you go from January all through December, naturally. Cool. I don't know why this is here, but probably so you can hang it, I'm guessing. Nice. Yeah, that must be the mystery item because it is not on this list. So, sorry, spoiler alert. I should have said that. Reflection, honesty, clarity. Oh, I love this. I love this. Love it. And then you have your stickers and seals. Oh yes, I'm glad they're all in the same package now. Normally the stickers are on their own and then the seals are on their own. Such soft paper. I love that this is not a very pink. It's really a nice peachy blush color. Yeah. And you have 2 week or date cover, I don't know. I would usually use these in my months. I love it. It goes from Monday to vacation, actually. Monday through Sunday and then vacation. This one goes Monday through Sunday and then me time. And then you have the usuals and a couple boxes. These are the seals. And it has it's a light rose gold foiling. Yeah. This is an interesting bow. Pretty. And then this is the blush bow notepad. Yes, this is the blush bow notepad. Everything is foiled. Designed in the USA, made in China. Very pretty. And next we have, this lovely, what is this called? I forget. Pretty bow charm. So this is the bow charm. Ooh, this is lovely. This is lovely. I need to find somewhere to put this immediately. Immediately. And then you have, look at this. We haven't even gotten to the washi tapes yet, y'all. Can you imagine? And then you have 2 pens. I'll make very good use of this one. A Sakura microperm pen, ultra fine, and it's a permanent pen. Very permanent. And then the Simply Gilded bow pen. And then the washi tapes. Ooh, mine is a little... Let's see. Did it tell you how many washi tapes? No, it's typically 5. So this is 6. 2 of these might be the perforated. These look like they're the perforated washi. Yep, they sure are. These 2 are the copper / rose gold foil. And then you have these. Oh, I love these flowers. These 2 especially. This one might be a little too pink for me. But hey, it's all pretty. Oh, and I love this lace. This is lace. All right, that's it. And then you have this very pretty pouch. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So that's it. That's the Simply Gilded, the last Simply Gilded subscription box for 2019. A lot of things are changing with Simply Gilded, and they're going to have a new fee structure. They're going to have a new bunch of everything. So I hope you got signed up for the subscription. I hope you did. I hope you did. What is that? That's where the bow came from. All right, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye. One last thing I forgot. If you would like to get $5 off your Simply Gilded subscription, no, $5 off your $15 Simply Gilded order, hit my link in the description box. Okay, now for real.